So now I've got the Leica GS18 GPS receiver on the survey mark I found. We'll log some more static data here. I'd sometimes put the controller actually mounted to the pole, but it just adds a little bit of weight and unnecessary weight because there's thick canopy here. So I'm going to try and break away some of these leaves, although the GS18 is really good when it comes to penetrating the canopy, and the results are quite surprising. But I'll just break some leaves out of the way. I've heard stories, people say, oh, it's a cloudy day, you're not going to get GPS coverage. Well, that's bollocks. It does work, whether it's cloudy, whether it's raining, what have you. The key is you want to look at the P-dop and G-dop, and they want to be under 1. I mean the P-dop and the V-dop, precise dilution of precision, I think that P-dop stands for, and you want to have that figure under 1 to have any sort of reliability. The lower the better, you know, half a metre, 1.5, 0.7 is pretty good. Yeah, that's the position, and the V-dop I think is the vertical component. But you can see under the canopy here I've got 29 satellites, so it's not too bad. So we'll log this for 12 to 15 minutes and see how we go.